I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
We're going to be doing, you go ahead, Kathy. This is an awesome salad. We're both very excited about it, I can tell.
It's a corn salad with some black beans and green chilies. And it's just a nice side dish or as a main dish, really.
So first of all, we're going to refresh the beans. And they're the instant black beans.
But they take the longest out of this whole recipe. That's why we're starting with that.
Okay.
We're making a big salad.
And then we're going to put some boiling water so that it can refresh. Because it takes a little bit longer even though they're the instant.
Now once the beans are refreshing, I'm going to start chopping the onions and tomatoes for our recipe. And I already did some in small little dices. I'm just gonna add a few more.
And it's really nice to have the red onion because it creates a lot of color. So we've got the purple, green, and the red for tomatoes. And I'm gonna be actually mixing up these two ingredients, which is corn, while Kathy's chopping, and also the chili peppers. These chili peppers are amazing. You can use them in absolutely anything you want, just to make it a little bit
and
more.
They're not super spicy. Like
No.
It's not like the jalapeno. It's milder than that.
Exactly. So I'm gonna put the beans off to the side, and I'm gonna be adding the corn. So this corn is delicious. I love to even eat it like that. It's super nice and very, very tasty. Do you think that's enough, Kathy?
I'll do a bit more. This is compared to the beans, this is the majority of what we want. That's good.
Okay. And then the chilies. And that, I'm gonna refresh it with cold water. So I'll be adding some of the water in here to refresh it. And I just added cold water to this. Okay, so we're just, now that Kathy's done all the chopping and I've done all the rehydrating, now we're just gonna let it sit to refresh.
For a couple of minutes
Yep.
before we put it all together.
Okay, so now that everything is refreshed, we've drained off any excess water that is on the beans and on the corn, and we're gonna be putting it all together.
Go ahead.
All right. Oh,
I weren't going to do all the beans.
no,
It's very beany. We didn't want that much.
Okay, so there we go.
And we'll add some of the onion. And the tomatoes. Do you want to add the lime juice too?
So the lime juice we have not added, so we're going to be adding some of that.
And then some pepper. And some salt.
I love all the different colors. You know, the more color you have in your food, the better off it is. It's more nutritious.
A little avocado or whatever oil you want. We're gonna save a little bit of the cilantro. Cilantro is either a love or a hate thing. You either hate it. I remember it tasting like soap to me as a kid. Just like yucky taste. Now I love it. And we're going to take a little bit of the feta cheese and add some crumbles in there.
Isn't that color beautiful?
Yeah, I love that. Anyway, same. Save a little bit to top it.
All right.
You can plate it.
So,
You can mix the cheese in. We like a little bit everywhere. I've got extra just to top it up.
oh, that looks amazing. There you go, that's for you. All right, so we've posted the recipe down below, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
And give us a thumbs up because this is awesome and you want to try it too.
You haven't even tried it yet. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified when we're posting another video. How is it, Kathy?
Good. I would chill it in the fridge for just a little while. Make it all cold, but so good.
Super nice.
And remember,
You can do this too.
don't leave me hanging.